bro. Yeah, I ain't really dropped too many videos yet, but yeah, man, so I just dropped that bitch. That bitch 2024, bro. What? Stanging their ass, bro. Check that bitch out, bro. Raw Smart, what, MC1? Bro, go check that bitch out, bro. That bitch just came out Dallas, Texas. You go look at all the reviews on it. The bitch is banging. You know what I'm saying? The bitch is A1. That's why I ain't worried about it, bro. I just caught that bitch last month. What? Niggas say that bitch is clean. Say, got that, what they call it, that sniper gray. Yeah, treat yourself. I done told y'all, say we ain't playing no game. Sniper gray, kick ass. Trying to tell y'all, man, we ain't playing no game, man. I ain't gonna talk about it no more. I'm just gonna drop out on y'all. Booka? Booka? Like, damn, he just got nothing. Damn. Like my boy Tactical Mike said, he said, damn, bro, you ain't got another, you ain't gonna do another good collection review. I said, no, I gotta wait. I got one more coming. No cap, y'all, we own it, y'all. Say, I told y'all, treat yourself, don't beat yourself. That's the Ross Martin. Yeah, bro, that's that Ross Martin. That gray was Sniper Gray. Yeah, bro, that bitch just dropped, bro. 2024, bro. Just dropped, bro. No cap. Yeah, man, I be trying to tell y'all, bro. I just look like this. I got some shit, y'all. I'm saying, man, go check the review out, bro. That's the Ross Martin, bro. The Sniper Gray when you talking about with the Dallas, Texas on the side of that bad boy. Yeah, bro. That's that Ross Martin. Stangany boy. Hey, what's that? Yeah. Y'all just paying attention to, Glocks and, y'all ain't looking at what's coming out. You know what I'm talking about? They stand in the past. No, man, I'm trying to be ahead. You know what I'm talking about? I'm trying to be ahead of the game. But then when they want to get it, I be like, I already got it. I already got it. Yeah. So, yeah, man. I'm say, man, it's going down. Stay tuned to this channel. I'm going to show you some new shit. Some new. So, yeah, man, that's that 2024. Ross Martin. Check it out of Dallas, Texas. Kicking ass. Boy, got everybody to my dad like damn near $600 gun. And I got that bitch for like $450. Yeah, bro, check it out, man. You know, man. Matter of fact, go to my post. I've been posting about it, letting people know, hey, yo, it just dropped. Nice, kicking ass. I'm telling yeah, bro. No cap, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Stop, man. Do your own research on that new shit. Oh, it's another that came out called Italy or something like that. It's another company came out too, y'all. They looking nice too. Yeah, I've been trying to look them up, but it's only one company really got them out. But it's all good. It's a new. That's a 2024 too. And I done looked it up. This one place got it, and it's a nice price too. No cap. Matter of fact, I gotta look at the price of it. Probably, I don't know. I think the Ross Martin was still higher than this one. But say y'all, I gotta do y'all research and stop trying to stay in the past, man. It's a lot of new out here, y'all. Y'all playing. Yeah, bro. Nobody ain't seen that, bro. Man, I'm trying to tell you, bro. I'm getting shit new. That new. You know what I'm talking about? That new shit. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about, man. Man, it's going down, y'all. Bro, I'm trying to tell y'all. So y'all go check that shit out, y'all. Ross Martin out of Dallas, Texas, just dropped 2024. That bitch bad, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Trigger pull, the trigger is so old, the trigger different. Oh man, say it's a fool, y'all. No cap, no cap. So yeah, y'all check it out. Please be safe. Keep up the good work. I'm ready to show this. I'm ready to go and get this damn revolver, y'all. I'm finna get my revolver game caught up. You know what I'm talking about? Crush these boys. It is. I already got a lot of pistols now. From the Springfield, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, we looking good on that. So I'm gonna get on my revolver gang. Matter of fact, I need to get me a motherfucking Rock Island revolver. Cause I got my revolver Rock Island collection. I'm finna have that baby looking nice. Cause I know y'all see that 30 barrel 1911 I got. Yo, none of y'all ain't said, man, who got that? Me. We got a 30 barrel 1911. Haha, what? Man, I get stuff what I like. I don't trend with everybody. Ooh, no. I get something different, y'all. You did.